Hey, what up, buddy?
I got it.
So lately I've been playing Insurgency Sandstorm. It's pretty much what happens when you get Escape from Tarkov and then Battlefield, put them together, and then you sprinkle it with a little bit of... And then you get this freaking game, whatever the heck this is. I've been playing it for a total of 2 days. And let me tell you this, man. It has everything that you love about Tarkov, like getting one tap to the face, gun customization, but also having cool and unique things, like screaming terrorists, and whatever the heck this is. Most importantly, VoIP. Oh, VoIP. Oh, the involvement of voice chat in this game. It's like every Call of Duty lobby, but like all the good shit about it. See? Good shit. Majority of time spent playing this game, it's pretty much you running around and then getting absolutely domed to the face and then spending the next 5 minutes complaining like,
bro, where am I getting shot from, bro?
But if you pay close enough attention, this game is an absolute goldmine for funny moments.
I killed the woman. You come here, bastard bitch. You love.
Let's go. Take the car. We have car here. Get in the car. Let's go.
Only knives. Yeah, if there's anything else, you're getting banned.
Knives only. Challenge accepted.
Allah Akbar.
Catch him, boys. Catch him. That's a nade. Nade. Back.
Come here, bitch.
She's on love with it.
How's it allowed? It's a rocket launcher. These two guys both shot rockets at the same time and killed each other.
Line up on the street, everyone. Everyone line up on the street. Alright, everyone line up on the street. Line up on your teams. Alright, we're gonna do this gladiator style, alright? Oh, no. Take those mines away, brother.
3, 2, 1.
Alright, let's go, brother.
Pull me downstairs.
Wait, who's shooting?
What the heck, man? Bro, we're victorious minus the gun part. He went all America on us. He did a shooting in the street, so cheers, mate.
Stop! Before we continue, I'm gonna have to say a huge thank you to everyone who commented on the last video. I do appreciate it a lot when you guys leave your feedback, and it's also good to get some interaction going down there, bro. So once again, if you enjoyed this video, head down to the comment section, put your hands on your keyboard, and absolutely type whatever the heck is on your mind at the current moment. And also don't forget to be clicking that red thing over there, eh?
The car is not friendly.
I hope you choke and you save
Just killed myself in the hot cold car.
Bro.
Car? What's this? This is not, is it?
Bro, that car is non-existent. Allah Akbar, bro. Holy shit.
I think we're missing a tire because it's not going very fast.
Holy shit.
Go. No, back up, go back.
What is going on? Help us, bro.